Boldt HVAC provides expert heating and cooling services to homes and businesses in St. Paul, Minnesota 55121. We specialize in system installations, repairs, and routine maintenance to keep your HVAC running efficiently year-round. Our certified technicians are equipped to handle everything from furnace and air conditioning tune-ups to advanced diagnostics and emergency repairs. At Boldt HVAC, we prioritize your comfort and energy savings with high-quality service that ensures your system operates at peak performance. Contact us today for all your HVAC needs. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Boldt HVAC. Can an HVAC contractor help improve indoor air quality? Yes, Boldt HVAC can help improve indoor air quality by installing air purifiers, humidifiers, and dehumidifiers, and offering duct cleaning services. These solutions reduce allergens, dust, and pollutants, creating a healthier living environment. What is an energy-efficient HVAC system? An energy-efficient HVAC system, installed by Boldt HVAC, uses advanced technology to minimize energy consumption while maintaining comfort. Systems with high SEER ratings and modern components help reduce utility bills and environmental impact. What is your service area for the Eagan, Minnesota office? Our HVAC contractor has successfully helped customers in the surrounding areas of Eagan, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Burnsville, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, and Edina, Minnesota. Where is your Eagan, Minnesota HVAC contractor office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 165-130-06145. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.